a keen interest to participate into this particular AICTE and IST sponsored uh, faculty development programs specifically into the artificial intelligence domain. Yesterday we have seen the contemporary AI. This was the topic which has been given to the speaker, Mr. Amit Andre. He was also alumni, and today also the eminent personality, very young, dynamic personality, Mr. Piyush Nikam. He is the scientist and the senior technical member at the NetApp R&D India, Bangalore. And fortunately, he is also the alumni of the computer engineering department. So we are very proud, Piyush. I am very happy to see that your experience into the machine learning domain, and you have already done your master's programs into machine learning, specifically into adversarial and reinforcement learning. So this is the commendable, and perhaps this insight, your qualifications and the knowledge base will definitely will be beneficial to all the participants. All the participants are the professors and eminent professors across this nation. There are 100 participants. Today will be joined shortly. I am saying that some of the few members will be joining shortly. As a nature of the Indian, so you can predict the model of the Indian nature, the behavioral pattern, how the faculty members also, once it is started at exactly 10:15, the moment the guests are entered, what is that delay, amount of the delay they have entered, because what is the enthusiasm, behavioral pattern, seriousness about the machine learning. So these are all that can be tracked out of this based on the entry time and their alertness and asking the questions. Whenever I also see that, if the question and answer series, suppose it's put, the hardly one or two people, put the questions in that particular the chat box. And based on that also we can see the level of the involvement and engagement into artificial intelligence domain. I am very happy and thankful to Dr. Vinay Kottavar, Head of Department of Computer Engineering, that you have charged this particular program for all these participants. Their engagement, involvement, deep involvement in, as we see in the deep learning. So I want that the faculty members should be much interested into the domain. Otherwise, they will not be able to get whatever the experts you would like to give this, disseminate this knowledge base. And ultimately, because we know that futuristic domain, futuristic market segment, you have chosen the topic of the opportunities and applications of this and challenges of this AI. We know that right now 15% of the total industry have already acquired. 35% of the total industries are adopting this AI, and we know that proliferation over the period of time, being this vision of the Honorable Prime Minister to make this Atmanirbhar, this is possible only when the AI applications is intensively injected into the nerves of the industry. This is only possible that the people who are actually contributing into the various applications of the AI, learning this AI fundamentally, what are those algorithms, what are the expert systems, what are the machine learning, deep learning, what is the layer, why it is required, what kind of the application, which applications are suiting, and what algorithms are suiting for the which application. There were certain questions were there also yesterday. So is it a data-driven application, or it is your algorithms are based on your data or for the application? That was the questions, These questions can be from those participants who are actually involved into the learning of this artificial intelligence. I am very happy that in adversarial machine learning that you are going to touch. I don't know, because reinforcement learning and adversarial machine learning, you wanted to fool that particular model which has been trained already, and you wanted to check this robustness. And this is also another research area for the participant. All these participants are trying to search for the various applications. Which I think that I request Mr. Piyush to focus on to the adversarial this model of this machine learning, because they are I think that insights into this particular algorithm, why there is a necessity, how this is useful for pruning the model of this machine learning, and essential, how to get it saved from the attacker. So I think that this is very wonderful, because if you look at to this applications of AI into the security, it's very, very important. And there, this particular adversarial ML machine learning algorithms will play the important role. As far as this reinforcement learning, how the software agents amongst to take the actions into the environment to maximize the outcome. So because we have seen the many robots, they have been given the various input, and your reinforcement learning takes the different input at a different interval of time and try to modify the behavior of this particular model what they have been tuned to with respect to the amount of the data. There are, because I was just going through the market analysis by the Gartner, even the productivity of the business can be enhanced with the help of AI. Yes, I know that. The optimization of the manpower, optimization of the resources, whatever the task which is being actually given by or doing by this manual, because there may be the probability of the mistake there, to avoid the mistakes, because artificial intelligence, where the computer deals with the various problems, take the corrective action based on the kind of the data and try to prune itself and adapt and give the best of the best outcome, so that the industry people are helped to enhance their productivity and the bottom line in turn. We know that in the era of the enhancing the socio-economic development of the country in the pandemic situation, who can save us? Artificial intelligence and data science, this kind of the personalities can save us the India, and we have to make a proper impact in comparison to the China and US people. Japan is already leading into this one. For the research, innovations, development purpose, the AI engineer, ML engineer, data scientists are very essential to give the different dimension and redefine the futuristic India. There, the personality like Piyush Nikam, I am very proud that you are our students and the alumni. It is your sincere duty to come here to the campus, because we have started this artificial intelligence data program for the only futuristic student, future youth of India. We know that we are very healthy as far as this student population is concerned, young India is concerned. But who will educate as far as this adaptive trends in the futuristic domain of Industry 4.0, 5.0? It is your responsibility, Piyush. So I would like to appeal, to come and give the wisdom into this particular domain. Once again, thank you very much, Dr. Vinay Kotawa. You have given the opportunity to speak and to meet Mr. Piyush Nikam. On behalf of, again, Honorable Satesh Patil sir, he is the chairman of this D.Y. Patil Educational Complex. He is very quality conscious as far as this defining and framing the program. So that's why to add the value into this, Honorable Colonel Joshi has given the conducive environment. If you look at to the campus infrastructure, digital infrastructure, physical infrastructure, natural infrastructure. That's why natural human intelligence and artificial intelligence has to be blended, and that's why the convergence of these two technology, the two intelligence, will redefine the future India. With this, I conclude. Over to Madam Sonal.